Hi, hello, good evening. This is Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel, and this video is going to be for a long time SIP, that is structured investment plan via stocks. So we are going to see three different stocks from three different sectors, and we will be seeing the fundamental aspects with technical aspects and the long-term targets for all three stocks. And kindly do watch till the end to get the technical levels and the fundamental stuffs. Okay, let's get into the video. Our first company is going to be ITC. So if you look at the weekly chart and the structure of ITC, a long-term consolidation for almost for 7 weeks. There was a consolidation between 218 to 197, and we got a clear breakout this week on the Friday, and the stock has rallied like anything with a huge volume of 391.15 million. This volume is going to be almost a huge volume in last more than 20 years, we can say. So if you look at the huge volume, the previous huge volume was 4.2 billion in 1997. After that, this 2021. So this is the first time ITC has hit such a huge volume. And looking at the technical structure of ITC, we got a clear cup and handle. Let me draw that for you guys. So this is a clear cup, and this is going to be the handle. And we got a clear breakout with a huge volume and with less rejection in the upside, and we can expect a huge upside rally after this. If you are going to start investing in ITC in every month, let's say when we talk about SIP, we can go ahead with at least 5 to 10 quantities every single month, and if you do it for next 10 years, your growth will be absolutely brilliant with this company, as they have been expanding the business in every aspect. And there is a rumor of demerger of hotel business, which will be a huge positive for ITC, and we can expect the target towards, if you measure the target, the size of this cup, you will be getting the targets of technical level. Let us measure that. So 23% from this side, from here, is going to be coming around 290, and this is going to be the immediate targets in next few weeks or within a month or two, but the long-term target is not less than double from what the price is right now. So if you please start accumulating this company, and if you look at the products of ITC, you can just Google it out and find a lot of products has been introduced in recent past, and everything has been a good hit. Let it be a biscuit or let it be a cigarette, when we talk, and Ashirwad Atta, everything has been going in a brilliant way, and they can make a huge business in next few years. And obviously the growth, if you are investing for next 5 to 10 years, definitely your personal finance growth will be huge when we get into ITC. So, and the fundamental factors, when I spoke about fundamental factors, they're looking at the promoter holding and the debt structure and the brand value, and growth growth with the peer companies is not really less. So definitely this company is going to rock in next few years, and it is going to be a wealth creator stock. And let us get into our next stock, which is going to be UPL. And UPL, when we speak about UPL, is the company which is involved in the business of agriculture and non-agricultural chemical products, starting from seed manufacturing and chemicals used for agro products and non-agro products. They are into the business from 1969, and obviously the fundamental fact checks has been done with UPL as well. Let it be the promoter stakeholding percentage, and then depth, everything has been absolutely good. And obviously with the competition with the peer companies is good with UPL. and the target which is going to be for our UPL is minimum double, and in next few years we can see. And there was a huge inverse head and shoulders seen here, and the head and shoulders inverse head and shoulders started its journey from 2019 in the July, and it has completed. It has given a breakout. Let me show the inverse head and shoulders, and this is going to be the left shoulder, and this is going to be the head, and this is going to be the right shoulder. And we are able to see the, let me zoom in and show you. So we have seen the breakout above this right shoulder, and it has come towards this area for just for retesting, and again it will start its journey towards the upside. And the long-term upside target is going to be around this place, 1340. Please start accumulating this company in every single month, every single time it is getting fall. You can keep on adding this company. Definitely it will give you a huge return in next 5 to 10 years. Definitely it will give you the double the amount which is right now. So it is going to be 1300 plus, and right now the price is around 536. This stock is definitely a long-term pick, and a huge return is expected via the dividends and other stuffs. So let us start accumulating this company. And okay, our next company is going to be HDFC Life, which belongs to HDFC company, and obviously is one of the best company, best company in the banking sector. And when compared to the peer insurance companies, it is going to give a huge growth in the coming years. And looking at the fundamental checks like debt ratios, there is no debt, and the promoter stakeholding is about 70%, and everything seems to be absolutely fine with this company. Obviously this is going to be another good pick for long-term SIP, say for 5 to 10 years plus, and definitely it can even give fourfold profit in the next 10 years. Right now the price is 6781, and we can expect a huge target from this company. And same way, the same structure which we saw in UPL is found here in HDFC Life. Let me again draw that for you. This is going to be the left shoulder, and this is going to be the head, and we got our right shoulder here. And we have got a breakout here, and it went up and retested again, and again it is in and this zone. So it is in a clear uptrend. The target is going to be around, when we just try to clone this, let's measure this 45%. It is the moment, and when we clone this and keep it from the breakout area, that is going to be our target. Let us get into 46%. 46% is exactly 150 plus. So what we are going to get is minimum double the target of the current trading price. So it is current price is 681, and we are going to get, what we are going to get is 1150 plus. More than that also can come in next few years. Keep invested in this company. So again, one more pattern I would like to show, which is going to be a trend line. So HDFC Life is in a clear trend line, which is an ascending trend line. From October it is in a clear trend line, and exactly it made a good hammer whenever it touched the trend line. So it is the first point, second point, and third point. Definitely it is going to be inverted hammer, and definitely if we are getting a confirmation, definitely we should be having a good upside boom. And we will validate this with Fibonacci. So I have marked the swing, this swings low and the swing high, and this is going to be 0.5. After reaching the 0.5 retracement, definitely it gave a good up move respecting the ascending trend line. And obviously if you move the current lows and highs, again it has come to the 0.5 with an inverted head and shoulders, sorry, inverted hammer, and definitely it will give you a good up move. Minimum up move, the next cycle of up move will be, I'll show you till where the immediate targets are going to be. The immediate targets are going to be another 10 per minimum 10%. If we see a breakout till here, till 7:30, beyond that we'll get another 10% in next few weeks. Till this is going to be the, this is going to be 800 plus will be the next target in next few weeks, and the long term target is going to be more than fourfold from the current market price in next 5 to 10 years. And all the fundamental and technical stuffs has been explained in this, and obviously this is going to be an educational video, so please do your own research. And I have shown all the patterns technically, and I have shown it very clearly and precisely. I have explained the fundamental facts. If you wish if you like this video, please do like and share it with your friends so that they can also create some good wealth in next few years. And obviously this is going to be one of 3 best companies of 3 different sectors are in good growth. So stay tuned for the next video with different set of companies for a long-term investment. Stay tuned, take care.